Hello my dear friends, how are you? So we've got the old Hummel by Dragon coming along very nicely. So just starting to do the detailing on the interior fighting compartment here. This one's the most advanced here, so that's just got its chipping and it will need to get some more, this has got some darker brown washes on it. So they're looking really nice, aren't they? I like these details a lot. If you can see the detail there, especially around the hinging and all that kind of stuff. Absolutely amazing. The cannon is unbelievable. I'll be working on that very soon to get that finished up. It just needs this, its front guard and its gun sight. And then we've got this. I'll be starting to detail this now. So, getting the machine gun painted and all that. There's a couple other things to detail. But you can see down here, see the little fire extinguisher, but over there, that's a gun rack. And that would correspond with those things there. So I found some Dragon rifles in another kit, and I'm just going to install them. So just getting them painted up. Also, these things here were like models in themselves. Unbelievable detail in this. So you see those top rings there? That's just not a part that they've molded. That's got like 4 photo etch bits in it. Every single ring has to be placed individually. There's 7 bolt heads at the top that are tiny. It wasn't easy. Every shell needs to be painted separately and decaled with tiny decals. It's such a intense sort of process, but the results are amazing. I'll just have to re-glue that lid there. Absolutely amazing. I'll put some super glue on the lid. When I was painting it, I was noticing it was coming, because I was painting it underneath, so it was sort of blowing it up. And I thought, yeah, that's going to come off. I didn't put a hell of a lot of glue on it, but a good dab of super glue will sort it out. And this one was bloody, like the moulding in it was unreal. And the, you see the rear part in there, and the shells go in there, going very nicely, very snugly. It's unfortunate that they made the bottom line moulded in, because it doesn't sort of look right. You see how the ones that you've put in sort of sit out a bit? But that's the brake, so that'll get some weathering very shortly as well. And I've got to build another one of these. So that was the first one I built, so another one's got to be built. And there's a pile of parts for that. But it looks good, and the shells, they look unreal. I really am happy with this kit, and I'll show you something else as well. So this one's going to be getting, yeah, Elsie, what's going on? This one's going to be getting some metal tracks. So I've already started building them up, and they're heaps stronger than plastic tracks. I've never built metal ones before. They go together so easily, and yeah, it's just so much stronger. The bonds. So you just push the pins into it, and it's really easy to build, and they're so strong. And you don't really need to, but with you'll see a bolt head that comes out there, and I just put a little dab of super glue on that bolt head, just there, just a little dab. So you don't really need to, because they go in solid, but I just put a little dab of super glue, and that's permanent now, and it's still fully workable. So I'll just make up a bunch of 10 things, because I don't know quite sure how many tracks the Hummel's going to need, because it is an extended body. So I might just make up a 90 track and then sort of guesstimate how many more I'm going to need from there. I reckon it's going to be just a little bit over 100 for each track, but we'll see. All right, my friends, thank you very much for watching my little video, and I will speak to you again soon.